Everyday care workers show up not for applause but for people. They hold hands when families can't. They listen when no one else will. And they give dignity even in the smallest task. But to step into this role, you face the interview where your heart, patience, and purpose are all tested. My name is Faisal Nadeem, and I know that you are probably feeling a bit stressed about your upcoming job interview. You have been searching all over the internet for standout answers, and you are looking for the best way to prepare the important care worker interview questions as well. Well, I'm here to tell you that you have just clicked the right video. If you are serious about getting ready and don't want to waste any more time, just give me your precious 5 minutes. I guarantee you this video not only recalls you the important topics but also cover the most common and important interview questions that truly matters. Before we dive into each question, I will explain what the interviewer expects from your answer so you can respond the right way based on your own experience. Many candidates make the mistake of over explaining, which often makes it clear they are not fully prepared. I have kept my answers to the point, so please avoid irrelevant discussions. The more you talk, interviewer will ask you all sorts of questions, and that is where your mind will get stuck. So keep it to the point. Also, let's talk about the tell me about yourself question. A lot of candidates take this lightly, but it's actually one of the most important questions. In fact, 80% of hiring managers judge you based on how you answer this one. So make sure you prepare for this professionally. I have made a separate video both for freshers and experienced candidates separately on how you can create your tell me about yourself answer by following my 7 steps formula. You can create your answer within minutes. The steps are very simple and so easy. I have attached the links in the description of this video. You will also see the thumbnail at the end of this video as well. Let's start our preparation with this question, tell me about yourself. Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to understand your background, motivation, and communication skills. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I am a caring person who enjoys helping others. I have a strong sense of responsibility and genuinely want to make a positive difference in people's lives. I am a good listener, respectful, and always ready to support individuals with their daily needs while maintaining their dignity and comfort. Question number 2. Why do you want to be a care worker? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to understand your motivation and passion for the role. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I have always been passionate about helping others, especially those who need extra support in their daily lives. I find great satisfaction in making someone feel safe, valued, and cared for. Being a care worker is not just a job for me, it's a meaningful way to serve others. Question number 3. What are the key responsibilities of a care worker? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to check if you understand the nature of the role or not. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, a care worker helps people with personal care, daily tasks, medication reminders, companionship, and emotional support. They also ensure the person is safe, clean, and comfortable while respecting their independence and privacy. Question number 4. How do you deal with difficult or challenging behavior? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to see how you manage sensitive situations calmly and professionally. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I stay calm, patient, and respectful. I try to understand the person's feelings and triggers, use clear communication, and give them space if needed. If the situation continues, I report it to a supervisor and follow the correct procedures. Question number 5. What would you do if a person in your care refused help? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to test your understanding of boundaries, consent, and respect. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I would respect their choice and not force anything. I would speak to them calmly to understand their reason, offer alternatives if possible, and encourage them gently. If the issue continues, I would inform a supervisor for further guidance. Question number 6. How do you ensure confidentiality in your work? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that Your hiring manager wants to check if you understand the importance of privacy in care. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I never share personal information about individuals with anyone except authorized staff. I make sure all records are stored securely and only speak about sensitive matters in private settings. Question number 7. How do you manage your time when supporting multiple people? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to see how you handle responsibility and prioritize tasks. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I plan ahead, stay organized, and follow a clear schedule. I also stay flexible and ready to adjust based on people's needs. I always focused on the most urgent or important task first. Question number 8. What are your salary expectations? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to make sure your expectations match the company's budget. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, well, I am open to discussing a fair salary based on the role and your pay structure. For me, the opportunity to work in a caring environment and grow in this field is more important. Question number 9. Do you have any questions for us? Basically, the purpose of asking this particular question from your hiring manager is that your hiring manager wants to check if you are engaged and interested in the job or not. So, how you can answer to this particular question is that, yes, I would like to know more about the training you offer and how you support the growth of your care staff. Also, what does a typical day look like in this role? So, there you have it, 9 most important care worker job interview questions along with their sample answers. Always remember that practice makes perfect. So, take these answers as a starting point and tailor them to your own experiences and skills. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel Knowledge Dropper and also give a thumbs up as well. You can also share it with anyone you think could benefit from it. And don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future video topics. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you in the next video on Knowledge Topper. Until then, keep striving for professional success. Have a very good day.